For your chance to win an Airstream Atlas and $20,000 in additional cash, go to homesteading.com/offgrid. What you thinking, baby girl? You wanna go outside and run around? You wanna go see how much snow we got? You wanna go outside and see how much snow we got? Let's go. Come on. Let's come out here. I don't think there was very much. Yeah, a little bit. That tree sure looked nice. Oh, the fog's hanging really low. There's usually a bunch of mountains right there. And new stovepipe's working out really well. And I've got the spark arrestor up there. That spark arrestor's okay. These style of spark arrestors, you kind of have to clean them a lot, so you just got to keep an eye out for that. If it gets gunked up, it could kind of impede the flow of the smoke leaving your stove box. But we're up here pretty far. I came up to an area where basically after this the road gets really steep going down over there and then goes up again. And I figured if the roads got really bad, this is going to be the last section that I could get to before you know, we have to turn around. So it's going to be cloudy all day, so I don't think I'm going to be able to harvest any solar. And I kind of messed up. I didn't get my battery all charged before I came up here, so I may have to run the inverter a little bit and get that charged. And then today it's just going to be like pretty cloudy all day and just a little bit of snow here and there. And then tonight it's supposed to start snowing like crazy, so really excited to see how much accumulation we get up here tomorrow, because it's supposed to snow, I think, pretty much like from midnight on, and then I think straight through on Tuesday all day. So we'll see how that works out. But this is a beautiful start to the week. I love snow, and obviously I love winter camping. I'm not really certain if I'm going to put on the vestibule or not. I might. I probably will before the storm hits, because when that big one hits, if there's a lot of accumulation, it's nice to have that extra room on the front there, because that essentially works like a mud room. So for those who watched the videos last year, you noticed that when I set up the vestibule area, that was just kind of the area where I'd store stuff. I'd chop wood in there when the weather was bad, and it was just kind of nice area to hang out. What do you think, girl? Should we go make some breakfast? You want to get some breakfast? Let's go get some treats. Come on. Come on. Let's come in here. Come on. Oh, baby. You go ahead and lay down. Oops. Lay right here. There you go, baby. Go ahead. There you go, sweetie. Good girl. All right. Let's see how our stove is looking. Alright, let's add a few more logs. Get our breakfast going. Get the best of both Mercedes-Benz and Airstream in the ultimate luxury touring coach and score $20,000 in cash to help you take your life on the road. Combining the reliable performance of Mercedes-Benz and the incomparable aesthetics of Airstream, this is the RV to envy. The Atlas features a retractable awning so you have it made in the shade when you enjoy the great outdoors, while its solar paneled roof gives you the power to go off-grid longer. This is a great price for two reasons. Number one, you can hit the road and do whatever you want. Number two, with the holidays right around the corner, what a great gift to give yourself, and you're going to be supporting a great cause. Let's see, with the $20,000 in cash, I think what I'd do is I'd set up like a 6-month itinerary just to go around the United States and check out all these cool places. First Ascents provides life-changing outdoor activities for young adults impacted by cancer and other serious health issues. The participants experience free outdoor adventure programs that empower them to climb, paddle, and surf beyond their diagnosis, reclaim their lives, and connect with others doing the same. Your donation will support their work, including the recently launched Hero Recharge initiative that provides these same programs to frontline healthcare workers who are currently fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. To enter for your chance to win this amazing Airstream Atlas and $20,000 in additional cash, just go to amaze.com/offgrid. Clouds are starting to break a little bit. You can see the mountains over off in the distance. Oh, we got hit pretty good. There's a lot of snow over there. Seemed like that area when I was coming in was like this. It was all really socked in over there yesterday afternoon and yesterday evening right before I went to bed, or right before the sun went down. So, but I got that new drone. So I got the Mavic Air 2, just because I figured if I was gonna get another drone after I wrecked the other one by slamming it in the side of my truck, that I might as well get the one I really wanted. So I got the Mavic Air 2. We're gonna get this up and get some shots. I want to get some some drone shots of the snow here, and then also the snow tomorrow, and kind of show the difference of how much accumulations come down, because it's supposed to snow a ton tonight and then also all the day tomorrow, so we may not be able to get that shot until Wednesday, but I'm excited to have that drone. It's a lot better than the other one I had, so let's get it up in the air. Got some friends camping with me and Sierra, so we're gonna hang out. The storm's getting ready to come in. You can see it kind of forming here on the horizon. Not supposed to get a whole lot of rain this evening or snow this evening, but I think after midnight is when it's really going to kick in. So, and then it's supposed to go straight through all day on Tuesday. So we'll see how much is forecast, or see how much we get. The forecast is saying a foot on one of the passes that's just around the corner from here. And so if we get a foot over here at camp, I'd be really pleased with that. That'd be awesome. The new tent stove is working out awesome, or the tent stovepipe. And then I've got a new spark arrestor up there. It's just one of the simple mesh wire ones, and those are easy to clean out. The only problem is they gunk up really quick. You can see already with all the black stuff that's on there, that's kind of starting to accumulate. That'll just continue over the next couple days, and you got to clean it out every couple days, but it's all good. And there's definitely worse things to deal with.